Hi, I'm Nicholas French. I'm going to share with you today my Biolage and Multifusion styling technique, Resilient Curls. So this is step one of my Multifusion styling technique from Biolage. I'm just going to put the smoothing shine milk, lightly misting the hair to give it a really fresh, beautiful, smooth cuticle effect. I'm now going to blow dry the hair forwards with my paddle brush to get a beautiful, smooth, shiny blow dry. So we just finished the first part of the first step. And now what we're going to do is to take a 2-inch section of hair and apply the volumizing whipped mousse into the hair and seal it in with the irons. And I'm just going to put a little bit in my hand and emulsify it so it almost disappears. And then we're going to take a 2-inch section of hair and we're going to literally iron the product into the hair. So it's going to be infused into the hair by heat from the irons. This is a really great Biolage technique. So you just iron it into the hair. You can see how that product, that volumizing whipped mousse, is just being infused into the hair. And this is all part of my prep before I actually curl the hair up after this. I'll go through the whole head and repeat this, going through the entire head of hair. This is the final part of my prep. So over this section, now I'm going to introduce a tiny little bit of sculpting gelin. I'm going to really work it into my hands here so you get a beautiful fusion. And then I'm going to use, on top of that, the moulding souffle. So it's a beautiful fusion of product. And then we're going to place that over my already infused mousse in the hair. And then we're just going to iron this in very carefully. It literally just steams in the product into the hair. Okay, so now to curl the hair up, we go down to the base and we start to wind the hair. You hold the irons on the base and then you work down to the center, holding the ends like a figure of 8. So you get this beautiful, natural, beautiful looking, resilient curls. And then you drop the hair, and as you drop the hair, you just let it just cool down on its own, which will seal the set. You can see how it gets lovely, sort of very natural, beautiful, resilient curls in the hair. Just making my final resilient curl. So I'm going to use some Shine Endure spritz to go through the whole head as my final step to give it that beautiful sheen and finish and hold. So here, I drop, curl, let it just cool down. So now I apply for the final step, my Shine Endure spritz over all my resilient curls. And then I put my fingers through the hair to loosen up the wave. You can see how resilient these curls are. They're beautiful, very natural looking. And just to shake it all out, give it a very pretty, natural, beautiful finish. I'm Nicholas French. This is my Biolage and Multifusion styling technique. It's called Resilient